Guys, welcome back to the channel. I went back to Walgreens and I did the laundry deal, the buy four get $5 register reward, and I did the on top of that I did the spend 25 get $5 WAG cash, and I'm gonna show you how I got all of this for $2.21. Okay, fam, all of this total up to 28.54, I believe, or something like that. It was $28 and something. This right here was $3.29. This right here was $5.49, $5.49, $5.49, $5.49, and I used this as a fill-in, so that's $2.99. Now let's look at my receipt. Okay, let's look at my receipt. You can see the Downy rung up $5.49. The 2 bounce was $5.49 each times 2. That was $10.98. The Tide $5.49. The Febreze plug-in $3.29, and the Airwicks plug-in $2.99. Now these are all my digitals that I use. Come on, focus, camera. I had a $2.30 for the Febreze plug-in. I had $1.50 for the Tide, $1.05 for the bounce, $1 for the other bounce, $1 for the, what I had that for? Oh, for the Downy. And then remember that register reward from yesterday that I showed you? That's what I used to add in to lower my out-of-pocket. So that brought my subtotal down to $11.39 with tax, high tax. Brought it to $14.21. So I paid the $14.21 out of pocket, but I got back $5 in another register reward, which I used that to roll into my next transaction. I got back $5 from that spend 25 household, get 5 cash. I got that back, so that's 10. Plus, I got this back, which I don't know where that come from, but it printed out, so it got to come from one of these plugins right here. But I don't know which one it came from. But I got that back. So after getting this, the $5 register reward, which I rolled into my next transaction, I already spent it, plus the 5 WAGs cash that I got back, that made all of this $2.21. Now let's see what my next transaction that I did. Okay, on my next transaction, I bought the Walgreens got the DiGiorno pizza, buy one get one free. You see, the $5 register reward that I got from the household deal, the top from this right here, I rolled that. That brought my total down to $5.67. I had $5 in Walgreens cash from this transaction that I rolled also. See right there, redeemed $5. That left me to pay 67 cents out of pocket for 2 pizzas, DiGiorno pizzas, which that is a great, great deal. So I hope y'all hit up Walgreens this week. Hit up Walgreens this week. And let me know down in the comment, have y'all had any problems or what deals that y'all have gotten this week? Until the next video, fam. Y'all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Bye-bye, fam.